Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be working on this F150. This one's two-door. If you want to replace the light or light bulb, show you how to do it. So on this truck, I have locking gate. So you probably have to unlock it. I unlocked mine already. Yours might not be locking one. Then open this gate. Like I said, if you need to replace either the light bulb inside or the whole tail light, what you want to do is remove this. To remove it, you have two bolts, 1, 2. So what you want to do, grab either 8mm or 5/16, I believe. Yeah, 5/16 or 8mm. That should work. At least on mine it does. That comes off. And there you go. That's how you remove it. And then what you want to do is, if you want to replace the whole tail light, what you want to do is you twist this one, and the middle one. And this also sits in the plastics. What you want to do is twist this, and this comes out. Also twist this one, comes out, twist, just like that. And this one you might have to use a screwdriver, or just carefully pull in it. And it comes out. It's on this thing, sitting right in here. And then there's your whole tail light. So to put it back in, all you gotta do is same thing in the reverse order. You have this tail light. Make sure you plug them in the right spot so you don't twist them. Whichever one goes on the top, which one goes on the bottom. So what you want to do is put it back how you took it off. The best thing probably to do is to put this first and locate it right in. Let's see, this is the top, just like that. So there's a plastic here, and this right here sits on it. All we want to do is put it on it, just like that. Once you have that, then you'll see which one goes where. But these look similar right here. So put the top one first. Nice and tight. Same thing with this one. Make sure they're all tight. Once all of them are installed, there's this thing. Line it up in on this edge, you'll see it, and also the bottom one. Make sure no wires in the way. Once you line it up, everything lined up. Make sure these line up. Don't force them. this will be it for this one. If you have any question, comment below. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. That'll help me a bunch to grow this channel and post more content. And what else you want to see. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.